First, head over to the Financials module. Click Let's Start to begin. Next, choose a time period for your calculations. Don't worry, you can change this anytime. Once you've picked a time frame, move on to the next step to configure your calculation settings. If you track time using hourly estimates, select Man Days. For the hourly cost, you have two options. Enter a flat rate that applies to all tasks, or use team-specific rates if you need more flexibility. When you're done, click Finish to save your settings. These will automatically apply to all tasks in your box. Finally, don't forget to enter the budget. Be sure to specify it for each time period. And that's it. Your initial setup is complete.